So now in this last creative stuff that we happen to do here, now what we are going to be considering is to see that at least we try to see that we put out some of this that is being mentioned here, like places to visit, goat roasting, then game drive, that stuff. So we want to like show off that stuff, okay, as different people are doing those activities, okay, that are being showed up here, okay. So now if we are to do that, it means we have to like do the same thing here that we did. So we come back, and you have to consider the images this person has sent you. Let me give you an example. My client happened to send me some pictures, but they have totally very poor quality. So if I told you to put them, maybe you may end up spoiling your design. But so you have to just include them because they exactly like show what the place is and what that place basically means. So that would be the only reason why you have to like put them. But if not so, if there is an option of you opting into like get some other images, so someone may send you images that have been taken by photos, by what, by phones, and they are taken by phones, and those phones are basically of poor quality. So if I happen to do this, and at times they even do not accept opening in Photoshop, but this one has accepted. So if I maybe use levels and lift it a little bit lighter, because I don't want it to like affect my design, okay. I don't want it to affect my design. I don't want it to be dark in simple terms. So if this is what I have now, I need to like create a circle as I did for the other one, okay, maybe something like that. Then I try to move it. Maybe somewhere there. Then from that I duplicate it, okay. So I would make it all green. So should I make it green? Because most of the times nature is that color somehow. Let me just make it that somehow. So then I duplicate it, okay, so like that. Then keep a copy. Then I'm going to be using this copy, so I put off the stroke, the fill, okay. So I go and get this again, then put off the fill, right click, make selection, okay, then Ctrl Shift I, then you go to edit. You first select the layer that has the image, so you go to edit, then clear, okay, then a Ctrl D. Then from there, after clearing that, then what you have to do is basically switch on this, okay, and press a Ctrl T so that it can be scaled to move outside a little. Like that. Then we press that, we make sure we delete the upper one, then we remain with this, and we go get our move tool, then move them. So then click my Control T, click my Control T, then just a scale, just a scale. I've not used the Control T, I just scaled. Are you seeing that? So now I think that would work. Okay, so maybe we have that. Okay, so I'm also going to be including another one here and maybe another one and another one, just to show the different activities that are to take place, okay, at the place. Okay, Control R, then have the guides, okay, rulers to guide you out. Okay, so if we like save it, would it save? So now I have to like find out how to like solve this issue of hard drive, because if I don't, it may end up what? Crashing. Okay, it may end up crashing, so I should as early as possible. Let me see how I would resolve that issue.